What's up guys, RC Princess here. I'm excited for today because I get to reveal to you guys what I have been working on. Yes, this is my first real build and I decided to go with the Vanquish Phoenix. In case you guys missed it, I did also do a video on the ready to run model of the straight axle version. In that video, I go through all the specs and stuff of that one. In today's video, I'm just going to go through what I personally did to this truck, like what servos I put in, what shocks I have on it, like all of that. So if you do want to know everything there is to know about the straight axle, then go check out that other video. I will have it linked down below for you. So like I said, this is the Vanquish Phoenix straight axle kit, and it really was not that difficult, you guys. I think the hardest part really was figuring out the how to set up the overdrive and all that. I did end up leaving the dig function out, so I didn't even bother hooking that up because I don't use it. I know there's a lot of people out there who do. I personally do not use it, so I did not bother. And I also changed the overdrive from a 3-position switch to a 2-position because I did not care about 2-wheel drive. So those are some changes that I made there, and I just threw in a Hexfly servo off of Amazon for the overdrive, and then obviously, you guys, for the steering servo, I have the Reefs Raw 500 limited edition pink. Obviously, I tried to go pink on this as much as possible, as you can tell. I also tried something new. So as you guys know, in my TRX4 Sport, I have the Hobbywing Fusion Pro, and I wanted to try the Hobbywing Fusion SE in this one. And you guys, I'm just as impressed. Like, I love them both, but for price wise, like the SE is just as good as the Fusion Pro. So highly recommend, and that is what I threw in here. I should also mention it was the Hobbywing Fusion SE 1800. They also have a 1200 version. I just wanted to try out the 1800. And if you guys want a full tutorial on how to install the Hobbywings, I have a full video on that where I put it in my TRX4 Sport. So again, I will link that down below for you guys as well. So as far as tires go, I just had some Falcon Wild Peaks laying around and decided to throw those on there. I would eventually like to try out the J Concepts Megalithics tires. Those are like my dream at the moment. So let me know if any of you have tried those out or whatnot and tell me about them, because I really think I want to put those on here, but we shall see. Now for shocks, you may be asking, what the heck are those? Those are the Desert Lizards 90 millimeters, and I wrapped them in pink vinyl that I just had laying around. Not sure how long it's gonna hold up or last. I mean, it should hold up, but we'll see. But I thought it was a nice special touch for this truck. So now I'm going to be quiet so you can enjoy watching it crawl. It is so beautiful, you guys. I walk into my office and I catch myself like staring at it. I know it sounds so silly, but I'm in love with it and I'm so proud of myself for doing it. So let me know down in the comments below, what should my next build be? I'm struggling. Really wanted to do a sport kit, but it seems kind of silly because I already have a sport, so I don't know. Maybe I'll like build a sport and do a giveaway. I don't know. But let me know down in the comments below what my next build should be. And then also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like it as much as I do. And also hit that subscribe button to stick around for future uploads. And now I will be quiet so you can enjoy this beautiful thing crawl.